Which way does it go? Okay. Hey, it's me, Mr. Capalbo. Mr. C, Art and Food. It's where you subscribe to my channel. You can see art, or you can see me making food. Either way, I make Italian food tonight. I show you the before, how I was making it. Okay, here's the sauce. As you can see, I put it in the bowls. Back in bowl. There is the angel hair pasta. Already drained it and is ready to go into the bowl. So now we go ahead and put that one in there. Maybe. There we go. Kerplunk. It's in there. Now, we're gonna go ahead, before we put sauce on there, I told you my penne pasta had to get big, but it got big and it's hot. So now I go to pour it in here. Maybe, okay, maybe not. Hang on, we'll fix it. Alright, so now wow, that's hot water. Okay, yeah. We have to rinse out the noodles here. Otherwise they're not going to look good. No, they're not going to taste good. Okay. Alright. It's good now. So you see, we have the noodles there. They're going to drain. While they're draining, I show you here, we take Mrs. Capalbo's, because she does not like a penne pasta. Okay. I give her a fork, because it's very hard to eat without a fork. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. Right. Okay, so we get her fork. We separate the noodles here a little bit. Still got noodles on the foot. I thought I picked them all up. Okay. So, if you're wondering what that is, you'll have to watch part 1 of this video. Okay, so there's noodles, like you would see. Hey, look at that. They are orange, just like you see at Vince's. Okay. Now you're going, where's the sauce? There's no sauce. Okay, well, we leave that there. We'll take this out. Okay. Alright, we put that over there. Wish we had some music to go with it. We don't have any music. Alright. We're going to mix up the sauce a little bit. It's very steamy hot. Not hot and boiling hot, but hot. We put that over that. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh sorry. I'm getting carried away. It looks so good. I just cannot wait to eat it. Maybe it tastes so good, I hope. Let's hope it tastes as good as Vince's. I don't know. Maybe it tastes better. I don't know. Now we'll mix this all in here. And yeah, we'll get that all mixed up there. Now, Mr. Capalbo, that's me. I am going to put some of this, because I like a Parmesan cheese on mine. So I put a little in the sauce. That's enough. Now we take the noodles. Hopefully they're separated enough. Okay. It's not going to work. I'm not left-handed. Alright, switch hands. Okay. And we put them in here. And there they go. Oh yeah, there they all go. There's no way I'm going to be able to eat all that. I'll have to put that away, I'm sure. Not put it away in my belly. I cannot do that. I'm not that fat yet. And I don't think the doctor would like it if I did put that on there. So, you see, I put in the sauce here. I put the little sauce there. We make it well yeah, I forgot to tell you, it's got some pepper and some sugar and oregano and minced garlic in there and chopped up onions. I hate onions, but you know what? This way, you do not taste them. I tried it on a piece of bread and I need a fork. I cannot eat this without a fork. Fork-a-chill, where's the fork? I want my favorite fork. I have a special fork. There it is. That's my fork. Looks just like a Vince's fork, eh? Okay, so we mix that up. And those black things are the onions. I got them a little bit too much mixed up. I wish I had some garlic bread or cheese bread. I don't have that. I wish I had the salad and the soup. I don't have that. So tonight we just have spaghetti. I'll put a little more of this on top. And voila. Now, just so you can see, Mr. Capalbo's got something gross on his camera. Ugh. Anyways, he'll fix that in a minute. What you don't see is what I'm going to give a try and hopefully not burn my mouth off. Ah. Mr. Noodle. But you know what? They are right. It does taste like Vince's. Very close. All right. Thank you for watching. If you want the recipe, it is on Facebook under Rancho Cucamonga Foodies. They have it there. Or you can look online. I believe it was the Daily Report. That's very old. Now I think it's called Daily Bulletin. Just look up original recipe for Vince's Italian spaghetti sauce in Ontario, California. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to go eat now. Manja manja!